Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can edit photos in CapCut PC using filters and effects or whatnot. So I'm just trying to find a picture here, or I might just like freeze the frame. Maybe this one, I'll just freeze it to make it like a photo. Then basically I'm just going to select that. I'm going to select the filters section here, and I'm just going to select any of the filters that are here. For instance, maybe this one. You can expand this and kind of adjust the strength a little bit if you'd like to. Then I'm going to go to adjustments, and here I can adjust the temperature of the image here and the hue, as well as the saturation, the brightness, the contrast here, highlights and stuff. You can also sharpen it up a little bit and add in some clarity. You can add in these and this as well. You can also go to the effects section and maybe add like a retro kind of vibe to it. Maybe this frosted quality one or this noise one. It's totally up to you, but yeah, that is pretty much how you can edit your photos in a CapCut PC. Once you have finished your edit and you want to export it like as an image, select these three lines, go to export still frame, name the file, choose your format and press export, and you can also import it into your project here, and it's going to be saved as an image. Hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.